Finding the perfect bed skirt for your bed is easy with CGK. In this video, I'll show you how to measure your bed for the right fit and how to put on your wraparound bed skirt in just minutes. No lifting your mattress required. Let's get started. Because every bed is different, let's start by measuring how long your bed skirt needs to be so it drapes perfectly to the floor. First, decide where you want your bed skirt to sit, either at the top of the box spring or at the bottom. If you want your bed skirt to sit at the bottom of the box spring, start your tape measure at the floor and measure up to 2 inches above the bottom of the box spring. Those 2 inches will account for the elastic band that wraps around the bed. Now, if you want your bed skirt to sit at the top of the box spring, start your tape measure at the floor and measure up to the top of the box spring, 18 inches. For this bed, we're going to place the bed skirt at the top of the box spring, so we'll use 18 inches. On the bed skirt, you'll notice a short section with an adjustable elastic band. This elastic section will sit at the head of the bed where it won't be visible once installed. Next, just like a bed sheet, we'll wrap it around the bed. And honestly, it's even easier than a bed sheet because of how stretchy the elastic section is. Now we'll wrap around the last 2 corners and we're done. If needed, you can adjust the corners slightly so that they sit at the top of the box spring and so that the fabric hangs straight down to the floor. And that's it, a perfectly dressed bed in seconds without any heavy lifting.